question number 10. Circle the remainder in the following problems. Here numbers are given. We are dividing 38 by 5. So we have to speak the table of 5 till whenever we will not get 38. If 38 is not coming, then we have to choose the smaller number from 38. Children, sometimes the divisor does not divide the number and the number is left over. This number is called remainder. So here we will see what is the remainder. In table of 5 we will not get 38, so we will stop on 35. It is coming 7 times. So 7 is written here and we will write 35 just below the 38, and we will subtract these numbers. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3 and 3 minus 3 will be 0. So what is the remainder here? Here remainder is 3. Now let us see one more. C part of this. Here we are dividing 92 by 10. In the table of 10 you know you cannot get 92. So we will speak the table of 10, the number which is just smallest of 92. This is 90. It will come 9 times. So 9 is written here. 10 nines are 90. And this 90 we will write just below 92. And we will subtract 90 from 92. How much will left? 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 and 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So what is the remainder here? Remainder is 2. Now question number 11. Write the remainder in the following problems. Here you have to find out the remainder. Sum is solved already. So what you will do? You will subtract. So 28 divided by 3. 28 will not come in table of 3. So we will find out the smallest number of 28. This is 27. It will come 9 times. When we subtract 27 from 28, then we will get 1. So this 1 is remainder. Now let us see one more. This is D part of this. Here we are dividing 80 by 9. So we have to speak the table of 9 and we will not get 80. So we will stop just smallest number of just before the smallest number of 80. It is 72. It will come 8 times. These all are written here in the sum. Now you will subtract 72 from 80. So first of all, how we will subtract? We will borrow 1 from 8. This 8 will become 7 and this 0 will become 10. Now from 10 we will subtract 2. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. So this 8 and 7 minus 7 is 0. This 8 is remainder here. Now children, let us move on the next sum. Solve these word problems. Now we will solve word problems on the board. So children, we will see B part of question number 12. It is on page number 124. The question is, there were 50 sandwiches at a birthday party. 10 children shared them equally. How many did each child get? So children, how many sandwiches were there? 50 sandwiches. And we are going to divide 50 by 10. Why we are dividing? Because 10 children share them equally. So we will divide 50 by 10. Now how many did each child get? You will find out how many each child will get. So you have to speak the table of 10. How many times? Then 50 will come in the table of 10. It will come 5 times. 10 5s are 50. This is the sum. Now we will see this same sum in long method. Which number we are dividing here? Which is dividend here? This 50 is dividend. So we will write dividend here. And by which number we are dividing? We are dividing by 10. So this is divisor. We will write divisor here. Now 10 5s are 15. So quotient we will write here. 10 5s are 50. So we will subtract 50 from 50, it will be 0. So what is the answer, children? Each child got 5 sandwiches. We will write here answer. Each child got 5 sandwiches. Now let's see one more sum, children. Now children, we will see F part of question number 12. Rahul has 18 samosas. How many samosas Rahul has? Rahul has 18. He wants to distribute them equally among 6 friends, and he wants to distribute among 6 friends. How many samosas will each friend get? And you have to find out how many samosas will each friend get. So what we will do? We will distribute. For doing distribution, we have to divide. So which number we will divide here? 18 samosas we will divide among 6 friends. So we will divide 18 by 6. In table of 6, 16 will come 3 times. So we will write 3 here. Now we will see. So we can say that 3 samosa will get each child get. Now we will see this sum in long method. This is dividend, so we will write it here. And this is divisor, so we will write it here. And this is quotient, so it will come here. And 6 3s are 18, so we will write this 18 just below the given 18. Now 18 minus 18, 0. This 0 is remainder. So children, answer is each friend will get 3 samosas. Each friend will get 3 samosas. So children, I hope you must have understood this chapter division. So children, now we will see notebook work of this chapter. Chapter 6, division, and after that you have to draw red margin. Divide by repeated subtraction. Question number 1, divide by repeated subtraction. As I have told you how you will do. Here we are dividing 36 by 9, so you will subtract 9 from 36. Here you can see how many times I have subtracted, 4 times. So 4 is the quotient here. You can see the table of 9 is coming. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. And how many times you have subtracted? 4 times. So we will write 4 here. Now here we are dividing 42 by 6. Now check children, which number we will subtract here? We will subtract 6 from 42. Here you can see 42 minus 6 is equal to 36. 36 minus 6 is equal to 30. 30 minus 6 is equal to 24. 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6, and 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. How many times we have subtracted? We have subtracted 7 times till we will reach at 0. Now the 7 is quotient here. I hope you have understood. Now let's see question number 2. Write the division fact. Question is given in multiplication form. Now you have to change this multiplication in division. So we will divide 18 once by 3, then we will get 6. Next we will divide 18 by 6, then we will get 3. Now children, 7 multiplied by 8 is equal to 56. This is B part. Now we will divide which number? Here we will divide 56 by 7, then we will get 8. When we divide 56 by 8, then we will get 7. Now C part of this, 4 multiplied by 5, what will come? 20. So we will divide 20 2 times, because every multiplication has 2 division facts. So we have to divide 2 times. Once we divide by 4, then we will get 5. Once we divide by 5, then we will get 4. I hope you have understood. Now question number 3, divide the numbers. Now here we divide, few numbers are given here, 30 divided by 5. So we have to speak the table of 5 till 30 will come. It will come 6 times. So we will write 6 here. So 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Now B, 0 divided by 79. As you know, when we divide 0 by any number, the answer will be 0. So we will write 0 here. Now C, 275 divided by 1. When we divide any number by 1, the answer is the number itself. So here we will write 275, the number itself. Now D, 124 divided by 124. When we divide any number by itself, the result is 1. So here we will write 1. Now let's see question number 4. Divide and find the quotient. Here you have to divide the numbers in long method and you have to find out the quotient. Sum is 45 divided by 5. So you have to speak the table of 5. How many times? Till you will get 45. So when we will speak the table of 5, 9 times we will get 45. So we will write here 9, and here just below this 45 we will write again 45. 45 minus 45 will be 0. Then we will subtract these two numbers. Now B part of this, here we are dividing 36 by 9. So we have to speak the table of 9. How many times? Till we will get 36. 4 times 36 is coming. So we will write 4 here and 36 here. This 4 is quotient, and now we will subtract 36 from 36. So 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. Now children, question number 5, divide and find the remainder. Here you have to divide the number and find the remainder. Here 37 divided by 6. So 37 will not come in table of 6. So we will stop just before the number which is smaller from 37. This is 6 6 are 36. Now we will write 36 just below the 37, and 6 time we are speaking the table, so we will write 6 here. Now we will subtract 36 from 37. How much we will get? We will get 1. So 1 is remainder. Now here we will write which number is dividend. The number to be divided, that is dividend. Here which number we have divided? 37. So 37 is dividend. Divisor by which we divide. We are dividing by 6. So 6 is the divisor. Now what the answer we get here? 6. So 6 is quotient here. Now after subtracting 36 from 37, we will get 1. This 1 is remainder. So, we will write remainder here. Now, let us see this B part. Here we are dividing 27 by 8. So, we have to speak the table of 8 3 times. When we will speak the table of 8, then we will get 24, because 27 will not come in the table of 8. So, we will stop just before the smallest number of 27. Now, we will write 3 here because 24 is coming 3 times in table of 8 and 24 just below the 27. Now, we will subtract 24 from 27. It will be 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So, which number is dividend here? 27. And which number is divisor? This is 8. What is the quotient? Quotient is 3. And which number is remainder here? 3 is remainder. So, children, I hope you must have understood the chapter division. Now, for doing the sum of division, you have to learn the tables from 2 to 12. So, keep practicing, children. Thank you.